Welcome to Aarian's Fun Adventures. Say hi, Aarian.
Hi.
Aarian's right here playing with his trucks. Wow, what are you doing, Aarian?
They're playing trucks.
They're playing trucks? Let me see. Show me your trucks.
Look.
Oh my God. How many are there? Let's see, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice. And which one's your favorite one?
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
Wow, can it do any tricks?
Yes.
Let's see, show me. Oh, it could do a front flip. Wow.
What are your favorite?
My favorite one is this one right here.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, do you want to race?
Yeah.
All right, let's race. Rum, rum.
I want to catch.
You're gonna crash. Ready, set, go. Rum. Oh, what happened?
5.
1, 2, 3. Oh, suckers.
Daddy, what's your favorite?
This one.
Daddy, go. What's your favorite?